In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the place order text in your Woocommerce site to optimize for conversion. This process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to WordPress.com. This is your one-stop shop for managing your website. Whether you're updating your content, tweaking your themes, or, like today, customizing your e-commerce functionalities. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that first. So, go ahead and click on the Login button at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be whisked away to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, this is where the magic happens. For this task, we're specifically interested in altering some text on the Woocommerce checkout page, a crucial part of your online store's user experience. So, let's move on to the next step. Navigate to your Tools section. In the left-hand menu, you'll find an option labeled Tools. Click on it, and from there, locate Text Changes. Just a quick note here. If you haven't yet installed a plugin that allows for text changes, you'd need to do that before proceeding. Once you're in the Text Changes section, the process becomes straightforward. You're going to see a list of text snippets that you can edit to better suit your needs. Here, you want to click on the Add New button. This will allow you to specify which string of text you wish to alter. A new window will pop up. You'll be asked to provide the original text string that you want to replace. In this case, it's likely the place order text. After that, you'll enter the new text you want to display instead. Feel free to get creative here. Maybe something more inviting like "secure your purchase" or "complete your order" could drive more conversions. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save when you're done. This step is crucial. Otherwise, your hard work won't be reflected on your site. Once saved, navigate back to your Woocommerce checkout page to ensure your changes are visible and functioning as intended. And there you have it. A quick yet effective way to customize your Woocommerce site for better conversion rates by editing the place order text. Remember, small changes can have significant impacts on user experience and consequently, your sales figures. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found today's video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable tips. See you in the next video.